Today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows Classic storage since it's not freeing up space in Windows 11. If you are using Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your storage sense is not freeing up space. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to this set settings here. Just go to settings. Now once you are in settings, go to system and go to storage here. Now in storage section, you must see storage sense here. You just have to make sure that you have enabled your storage sense. Once you have enabled the storage sense, you can go here and just make sure that it's enabled the automatic user content cleanup. Then just go back, go to storage here, and you must see how much you have in this section, that in your storage, how many things you have, and just you can see there's temporary files. I recommend you can delete your temporary files from here. Just click on this temporary files, and you can also try to delete your downloads, but I recommend you have to go to your setting or your file explorer here, go to downloads, and just make sure you have nothing necessary in your downloads, or if you find anything important here, so you can try to move it to your D drive or anything else from here. Just move it from your downloads, and then you can try to delete your downloads there. But if your complete storage cleanup is not working, it will not happen. But if it's not working in your case, so you have a second step. You can try to go to search here and just search for disk cleanup. You might see disk cleanup here. Just click open. Once you have opened, select your drive. It might be C or D, but you want to clean. I'm gonna select C from here. Click on OK, and it will show everything in your C drive. Or you can also click on this clean up system files, and click OK again on C. It will completely scan, calculate your system files and your C drive, and it will give you an overview here. Just wait for a few seconds. And once it's done, you might see this type interface. You will see everything you have in your C drive. You can select which you want to delete. Just select this from here and just click on this OK option, and then click on delete files. It will delete the selected files permanently. It will take a few moments to deleting, but it will completely clean up your C drive. So in this way, you can easily clean your drives using your disk cleanup or your storage sense in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.